I'm almost done, so I wanted to show you. They have this one strip of yarn, or not yarn, thread, that's still there. This is the original yarn, and how it's sewn is it comes up like this, poke it down like on the other side of the yarn. So that's how you do it. And this thread is hidden and it's underneath, inside the hat. It's kind of like an invisible stitch. You won't be able to see the new thread. Basically, your hat looks new again. Nobody can tell if you make a little mistake. If you can tell, like, here's the thread where it broke, and then like here is where the other side broke. Even up this close, you can't really tell where the rip is anymore. Right here, you want to sew like a few steps beyond the rip